Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to McFarland House of Cars in Stratham, New Hampshire, we have their 2014 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. Some of you may know I personally own a 2018 Boxster 718 GTS, but these, the 991.1 Carrera S4S was huge on my shopping list. I compared the two of them, so it's pretty darn cool to have my car that I put about 3,000 miles on and then go and drive the car that I was shopping it with right after and kind of compare, contrast, especially because everybody's now talking about how, oh, if you want more of a sports car, get the Boxster and the Cayman, whereas if you want more of a grand touring luxury car, get the 911. I do kind of agree with that. However, when I was shopping for the 911, there were a lot of options that I was 100% set on that I found in the 718 Boxster GTS that I found. And I really should have spent a little bit more time and realized how unimportant those options were. Big one, Sport Chrono. Other one is Sport Exhaust. This car has neither of them, and I like it just as much. So let's go into what I just found in the car. This is a Gate Gray with the standard interior. Sticker price when new, $132,180. Obviously being a Carrera 4S. 3.8 liter, flat 6, sounds unbelievable. 400 horsepower, 325 pound-feet of torque. Let's see, Gate Gray, Cabriolet roof in black, standard interior in black, Porsche double-clutch Katiba, that is PDK, steering wheel heat. Where's the button for that? It's not in, oh, it is in the spot that I thought it, so it's right behind the steering wheel. Okay, so that has that. 20-inch Carrera Classic wheel, PGLS, Porsche Dynamic Light System, park assist front and rear with, does it have it? Nope. Nope, just the sensors, easy enough. Power folding side mirrors with courtesy lights, the 14-way power seats, premium package plus, in cahoots with, I don't think that's actually in collaboration with, maybe, ICW power sports seats, and the Bose audio package. So, not bad at all. Very, very decent build on this example. One thing I'll say right off the bat is the 911's a bigger car, and it does feel a little bit roomier in here, especially in terms of the blind spots there. But let's go ahead. So my main thing was I wanted sports exhaust because of the sound. I think I like the intake noise more than I like the exhaust noise. Sports exhaust is going to open it up obviously a bit more. It gives you the valves. This still has burbles and crackles that are just not essentially let out. You put an exhaust on this car, you're going to get pops and bangs and all that. Other thing is, this is the standard steering wheel. Some people love and will not buy a car because of these. The push to upshift, pull back to downshift. And that is the same on both sides. When I tell you this, after driving a bunch of examples of this steering wheel, it is so easy to get used to. I find myself really not missing shifts like I used to. It's just kind of easy. That's the year sticker coming off. See what I mean by the intake noise really being more important than the exhaust? I mean, that changes once you get into the upper RPMs, but this still sounds absolutely. Nothing like a Porsche in my eyes, guys. There really isn't. It is just something so special about the car. Alright, so we're in 7th. What happens if I just mat it? That's what I love about PDK. That was... what's 4 gears like that. Man, this thing is just this thing is just so dang good. Yeah, the one thing with this car is just the noise, and I don't know, it's... I think either way, no matter what you do, if you go 718 like I did, or you go 991.1 for the sound, you're not gonna go wrong. But man, the sound makes this a real compelling option. Like, a very compelling option. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.